Good afternoon. It's Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025. English warm-ups. My wife is having coffee on the balcony. We have a beautiful balcony. Not too big and not too small. Just right for relaxing. My wife is a very good gardener. My wife has a passion for flowers. Our balcony is full of very many different plants. Many different colours. My wife enjoys gardening shows on TV. Visiting gardens is also one of my wife's interests. Schönbrunn in Vienna is my wife's favourite garden. My wife has a passion for roses. And that's all for this week. I'll be back next week. Until then, bye-bye for now.